Ever wondered where to track down the elusive ADR ratio and why it even matters? Let's break it down. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question and see what we learn. Today we're exploring a common question. How can someone find the ADR ratio? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, to sum it up, someone's on the hunt for the ADR ratio for BYDDY, which deals with American depository receipts. They're hitting a roadblock, though, because this specific info isn't popping up on their usual financial resources. Their big question is where exactly they should be looking to find this elusive ADR ratio. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. One response points out that the SEC's EDGAR database and ADR.com are valuable resources. EDGAR provides detailed company financial information, while ADR.com offers profiles on American depository receipts, both aiding in researching company backgrounds and financial performance. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. In this answer, it's explained that BYDDY has an ADR ratio of 2. 1, meaning 1 ADR equals 2 ordinary shares. This is confirmed by both Interactive Brokers and Citi. Typically, ADR ratios can be found in SEC filings or on the Depository Bank's Investor Relations page. Alright, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. To find detailed information about BYDDY, start by checking the SEC's EDGAR database for official filings. Next, visit financial websites like ADR.com that specialize in ADR details. Lastly, use brokerage platforms that provide comprehensive stock information. These resources often have sections dedicated to international stocks and their ADR ratios. So, in this video, we've covered how investors can find ADR ratios for BYDDY. The SEC's EDGAR database, websites like ADR.com, and brokerage platforms all offer this data. ADR ratios are key for understanding how foreign shares convert to US shares, helping investors make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.